the oldest known organism in the world. Woohoo! Hey everybody, welcome to another Heck Yeah Adventures. On today's episode, it's all about sawdust and lug nuts. So I've been talking, if you guys have seen Clayton's channel, I've been talking to him for the last year. Where I work part-time at the Bar10, we've been needing a pool table cover and a little refurbish. So I've talked Clayton into coming out to the ranch, and I told him, if you come out to the ranch, I'm gonna give you a couple of awesome days if you'll do this pool table. So in this episode, you're gonna be able to see helicopters, planes. I'm gonna show him the desert plants, the area, and you guys are gonna be along the ride with us. Anyway, we got the girls downstairs. We're gonna be going upstairs with the boys, and they're taking apart the pool table right now. Hey, you guys ready for tomorrow?
Yep.
Wait. Convincing. Are you ready for tomorrow?
Yep.
Scared to death.
I'm scared to death.
We got the crew. Listen, Hunter has been picking up the slack for Clayton because every time I go down to Clayton's shop, Clayton's not there, but Hunter has been like sleeping.
He's a good boss. He delegates. That's for sure.
Everybody loves a good breakfast video. We got the crew here. Are you excited to be here?
Absolutely.
JD? Wide awake? Dude,
Wide awake.
you gotta see this coffee. So good. It's ready to start some pancakes. We got some eggs and ashes on the bacon. Good morning, you two.
Good morning.
Breakfast time.
Breakfast time.
So, hey, you're doing a good job.
Man, that wind was howling. I thought it was actually raining.
So 3 o'clock in the morning, I thought the same thing. I'm like, oh my heck, it's raining outside. No, they stayed in wagons, and it sounds like hard rain.
It was crazy, but it was fun.
Hunter has not got up for breakfast. I'm gonna get woke up right now.
Are you really filming this?
It's breakfast time. Look at this. This is Hunter in his natural habitat. If it makes everybody out there feel better, this is exactly where I'm at when I don't have to be anywhere. So today's video, I'm going to break apart from the truck build for a second and do some collaboration with Clayton from Sawdust and Lug Nuts and Hunter. Clayton actually is a really good friend of mine, and he has a cool YouTube channel. I talked him into coming out to the Bar10 Ranch, custom Bar10 pool table. So it was his and his wife's anniversary, so he decided to come out to the ranch, do anniversary, and then the pool table. And then I talked Hunter and Jen into just coming and hanging out. I'm gonna be flying them down on a helicopter to the rim of the Grand Canyon. I got the pool table torn apart, but I'm gonna send you over to his channel to see the final results of the pool table when it's all done. It is gonna be awesome. All right, so I'm on my way to go pick up Clayton and his family. So they're gonna drop him off at the top of the rim, and I'm gonna go pick him up in the ATV. Check this out. So another really cool tip about the Grand Canyon, there is like 30 different layers of stone that makes up the Grand Canyon. And this is the south rim right over here. So we're dropping off into the canyon. One of the coolest parts of going from the Bar10 down to the Grand Canyon is you can see all these layers, but this is really, really neat. I want to point out, this is a ancient lava flow. And as you can tell, you got the Hermit Shale in the middle, and then you've got flow that happens on each side of this Hermit Shale. But really, really strong coming off there. Now, this was a very, very active volcano area, but unlike the volcanoes that blow up, these are more like Hawaii, where they would crack. It's called a fissure volcano. It would crack open and then flow down the canyon. And that's what makes these. So these are the newest rock formations in the Grand Canyon. Now you know. Folks, I'll tell you what, if you can't enjoy that view right there, I don't know. The Colorado River is beautiful right now. Such a pretty emerald green. So Clayton and his family is going to be landing right here. All right, I can hear him. I can hear him coming, so I think he's gonna pop over the hill here anytime. Oh yeah! What do you think about that?
That was so much fun. The dive right there.
Oh yeah. All right, so the reason they call this Echo Canyon is this right here, why the wind's not blowing. You guys ready? Woohoo!
That's so
Got
cool.
5.
That's awesome.
Here we go, one more time. Yeehaw!
That's
Wow. This is
Don't fall.
Hunter in his element.
It's still got the deep part.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
All right, so second history lesson of the day. Actually, it's like the fifth by now. Okay, so these right here, these are called triops. This is the oldest known living organism in the world.
Looks like a tadpole.
They have dated these back to like prehistoric times, and they are related to the horseshoe crab family in the ocean.
Wow.
So they look like a tadpole.
But the horseshoe crab is in salt water. Ew.
But
I want to grab one.
that is a,
So has he got a hard shell?
yeah, it has a
So
hard,
he's a crustacean?
yeah, they're crustacean. So that is a crustacean, but they are,
Oh my
like
God,
I said,
look at his tail.
they are related to the horseshoe crab.
That's cool.
That is,
That is-
amazing.
That's triop.
Triop.
There you go. Teaching an old dog new tricks. But the crazy thing is, you only find these every 3 or 4 years. Like, I figured this would be a good year for them. They're all over.
But he's got a hard shell.
Yep. They'll bury themselves. It looks like they're already making the little caves. So right under us right here is probably hundreds of them already buried in the mud, ready for another year.
Related to the horseshoe crab?
Yep. I told you guys that Clayton's going to be doing our pool table. You have to go to his channel, check that out, but I'm going to show you.
Give him a sneak peek.
That's it. All right, just like that, we got Clayton and Hunter and Angie and Jen on the way. That was sure nice of them to come help us. It turned out so sweet. So stay tuned for Clayton's episode, and then we're gonna post some stuff on my channel as well. So hopefully you enjoyed that.